Dear Narendra Modi ji, we are suffering from past 300 days and now we are on roads. We are requesting you to save Amaravati farmers. Please do some justice to us on this occasion of Vijayadashami 2020. I am requesting you, please save us. Please save Amaravati. Please save Andhra Pradesh. Jai Amaravati.
Jai Amaravati.
Jai Amaravati.
Jai Amaravati.
Jai Amaravati.
Dear Modi ji, you know what happening in Andhra Pradesh? People are on roads, women and kids are also on roads. You want to support Amaravati, this is your responsibility. Exactly on 5 years back, on auspicious Vijayadashami, you bought soil and water from Delhi Parliament to from river Yamuna to Amaravati, and you said that Delhi work for Amaravati and AP. You want to come Amaravati and you want to support Amaravati for Andhra Pradesh. This is our request. One capital for Andhra Pradesh. Jai Amaravati, Jai Amaravati.
Respected Modi ji, I am one of the farmers of Amaravati who gave land for the capital region development, and now I am at the position where you have laid the stepping stone. Almost it's 5 years back, and with on the Vijayadashami, on the Dasara 2020, which is on October 22nd, it is going to be like 5 years. Past 5 years you have been here for laying the stepping stone for Amaravati, and you bought mud and water, and you gave us so much courage and trust at that point of time, because you were here. That's where almost 29 villages people who gave their land, which they got it from their forefathers, as well as they earned it. I believe you know how much pain a farmer will go under to earn any 1 acre land. Also it's like costing that land. We gave it for capital region development because we trusted the central government as a Modi as a PM, as well as the TDP government at that point of time, because you both have alliance, and we trusted each and everyone like central and state governments, and we gave our land, which is like, I mean, giving land is not a simple thing, because we earned it. How much pain or how much it is required for my fathers and forefathers, they have done, like without having food and all, they have done this to earn each and every acre of their land. So now the current position is like we gave 33,000 acres of our land to current capital development, which is Amaravati. And at that point of time, the current government YSRCP, which was in the opposition, and even that government also accepted that Amaravati as a capital. And everyone like BJP, TDP, every other government, every other party that is there in Andhra Pradesh, they gave that confidence. That's where we gave our land. So the present situation is like in 2019 with the elections, YSRCP came into form, and now Jagan Mohan Reddy is our CM, and he is betraying the farmers who gave their land. So I just want to make you understand that we gave our land. It's not benefiting us now anymore. So we gave at that point of time saying we'll be going to get 1/3 of our land, nothing more. 1/3, I know how much it is. So 1/3 of land, and we are supposed to get the allowances for 10 years. Even the allowances also, whenever we start protesting and we start asking and we going for a court for that allowances, then only government is giving. Otherwise, government is not at all considering us and not at all giving. So they're not actually living their promises, whatever they have done. So we do have the bond papers that Andhra Pradesh government gave. So I mean, if you ask me, I didn't give my land to any government. I gave to Andhra Pradesh government, not to any political party. As a PM, I trusted you. I gave my 4 acres of land to you, to Andhra government. So with the change of government, I have never heard that with the change of government, capital will change. But on the name of Decentralization Act, the present government want to have 3 capitals for Andhra Pradesh. So far, this is the first time. I have 30 years. In these 30 years of time, I have never heard that any state can have 3 capitals. But now, I don't know from where the 3 capitals came from, because whatever I am hearing from others is like he's having more lands in Vizag. That's where he want to, I mean, the present government want to move most of the capital things to Vizag. But whatever it is, currently the current position in Amaravati villages, the 29 villages, we are on the roads. We gave our lands, which we earned. Like, I know how much pain it will be for every farmer to earn a single acre of land. We gave lands with just minimal benefits of it, and now we are on roads and doing protests and trying to get support from the state government as well as the central government. So far, anyways, leave about the state government who is actually betraying us. So we are trying to get their support, but so far no one visits us, and not even a single day CM is trying to ask us what exactly the promises that the government gave to us, and they're not even actually thinking about the farmers who gave their land. And my only request is at least the BJP and the central government and Modi ji, especially you, I am requesting as a woman farmer, I am requesting you, please try to listen to our concerns. And we are not asking like whatever is not mentioned on the bond paper or anything. We are asking, it's our right, because I gave my land. I want whatever mentioned in the bond paper. I gave my land, that's it. I'm requesting you, please listen to the farmers. Please send your BJP leaders to Amaravati protesting points and try to listen to us and do whatever is promised. And you are the one who made me trust to give my land to the present Andhra Pradesh government. Please, Modi ji, and you are here on this lading stone. See, you are here as Narendra Modi ji, who is a prime minister, and you are the one who inaugurated. Please, Modi ji, please make sure it should still be there for many more years. And I'm just asking because I gave my land. Where is my future if government is going to do these three capitals, and what we have to do now? Whoever is like only getting the amount from the lands, what we have to do? Please, Modi ji, please come here and please understand us. Stay safe, stay healthy, better India. Thank you.
आंध्र प्रदेश न्यू कैपिटल अमरावती के लिए कैपिटल के लिए बनवाने के लिए 29,754 किसान 33,000 एकर्स गवर्नमेंट को डोनेट दे चुके हैं। जब से एमएलए क्वार्टर्स, एमपी क्वार्टर्स, आईएएस, आईपीएस, एमएलसी क्वार्टर सब कुछ 90-95% पूरा बन चुका है सर। यहाँ पे 10,000 करोड़ का काम भी कर चुके हैं। यहाँ पे जो नया जो गवर्नमेंट आया है वो भी मुख्यमंत्री जो सीएम है जगनमोहन रेड्डी ने उन्हें आके सब काम रुका दिया है। अभी 3 कैपिटल्स बोलते हैं, एक एग्जीक्यूटिव कैपिटल, लेजिस्लेटिव कैपिटल, जुडिशियल कैपिटल। सर हम किसानों 33,000 एकर्स ने 29,754 किसानों को हम एक कैपिटल के लिए ही दिए थे। अभी 3 कैपिटल के नाम पे यहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं सर। आप जो 22/10/2015 के डेट आपसे यहाँ अमरावती के लिए फाउंडेशन डाल चुके हैं एज ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर के हाथों से। आप ही जब पवित्र 80 नदियों का पवित्र जल और मिट्टी ला के यहाँ पे धरती का जो पूजा आप कर रहे थे पीएम साहब, आप देखो यहाँ पे सब जब से अभी तक जो नया गवर्नमेंट सीट पे बैठा है, जब से अभी तक यहाँ पे पूरा जंगल झाड़ी पूरा हो चुका है। यहाँ पे कुछ भी डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो रहा सर। आपसे यही निवेदन करता हूँ सर, अब प्रधानमंत्री साहब हम जो किसान हैं हम किसानों को बचाओ। अभी तक 92 नंबर्स ने हार्ट अटैक आके एक्सपायर हो चुके हैं सर। सिर्फ इसलिए जो आधा एकड़, एकड़, 2 एकड़ जो है ज़मीन है वो ज़मीन पूरा गवर्नमेंट को दे चुका है। उसमें से एक एकड़ में 25% ही 75% हम गवर्नमेंट को दे चुके हैं सर। 25% हम रिटर्न में ले चुके हैं। उसमें रेजिडेंशियल प्लाट और कमर्शियल प्लाट, वो प्लाट का भी अभी तक डेवलपमेंट नहीं है सर। रोड सारे पूरे रोड बन चुके हैं, बिल्डिंग्स बन चुके हैं, पूरा है। अभी किसानों को जो रिटर्नेबल प्लाट्स है अभी तक डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ सर। अभी नया गवर्नमेंट जो जगनमोहन रेड्डी जी ने 3 कैपिटल के नाम पे यहाँ पे पूरा शोर मचा चुका है सर। हम 306 रोज़ से हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं सर, धरना कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे 306 रोज़ से। अभी तक कोई कौन सा पार्टी भी और कौन सा गवर्नमेंट भी बहुत 1 से 3 चुका। दिल्ली भी हमारे किसान लोग आ चुके हैं सर, केंद्र मंत्री से निवेदन कर चुके हैं, आपको अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिला सर। 3 बार 4 बार आ चुके हैं आपके पास, अभी तक अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिला सर आपका। सर आपसे यही निवेदन करते हैं सर, हम बहुत परेशान में हैं। हमें कैपिटल के लिए दान दिए सर, ये दान ही है। 1 एकड़ देके उसमें 75% जो आपको गवर्नमेंट को दे चुके हैं, 25% ही हम ले चुके हैं। उसमें अभी तक उसमें डेवलपमेंट ही नहीं है सर। हम क्या करेंगे सर? कितना बहुत परेशान है सर। आपके जो हाथों से जो स्टोन डाले हैं उधर दिखाओ, ये सब धरित्री का पूरा जो है आप पूजा कर चुके हैं। अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं है सर। ये जो गवर्नमेंट है सर्वा पूरा ये बहुत फाट के रख दिए सर, किसानों को परेशान कर रही है सर ये गवर्नमेंट ने। सर आपसे यही और एक बार निवेदन करता हूँ सर, जगन रेड्डी जी से आप बात करके जो अमरावती जो सिर्फ एक ही कैपिटल है, एक ही कैपिटल वो यहाँ पे रहना सर, वहाँ पे 13 स्टेट का जो सेंट्रल पॉइंट है वो अमरावती कैपिटल होना चाहिए सर। बस नमस्ते सर।
Respected Modi sir, this Dasara October 22nd, it will be 5 years since you laid foundation stone of Amaravati as the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Since you came here and did first foundation stone as capital of Amaravati as Prime Minister of India, you came forward and did the foundation you laid. The present YSRCP government has told in assembly that there will be 3 capitals of Andhra Pradesh, that is Amaravati as legislative capital, Visakhapatnam as executive capital, and Kurnool as a judiciary capital. Since here Amaravati farmers are suffering who sacrifice their land for the development of Andhra Pradesh. If the capital is moved from here, then what is our we gave land? No, we are expecting that one capital should be for the state of Andhra Pradesh. So we are requesting YSRCP government that there should be only one capital. If the capital is moved from here, then no farmer will able to come forward and donate their land for the further development of Andhra Pradesh. So we are requesting you to come forward and tell us that there will be one capital only for the state of Andhra Pradesh. Since you laid foundation stones for the Amaravati, we are requesting you to come forward and do the inauguration for the Amaravati also. It is your primary responsibility to come forward and do the inauguration. Please come forward and tell us that there will be only one capital. Since 300 days we are protesting for Amaravati as the capital of Andhra Pradesh. We are requesting you to come forward and tell us that there will be only one capital of Andhra Pradesh. There should be only one capital, that is Amaravati as the capital of Andhra Pradesh. We are requesting you to please come forward and help us. Jai Amaravati, Jai Jai Amaravati.
आंध्र प्रदेश राजधानी अमरावती का स्टोन इनॉग्रेशन करके 5 साल होने लगा है। अभी तक अमरावती के किसानों ने 29 एकड़ हजार जमीन 29 एकड़ हजार किसानों ने 33 एकड़ ज़मीन ने अमरावती राजधानी के लिए बनाने के लिए दान दिया है। अमरावती के इनाग्रेशन के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अमरावती के स्टोन इनाग्रेशन किया है, लेकिन 5 साल से जो अब तक अमरावती के किसानों ने 306 दिन से जो इधर आंदोलन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी तक अमरावती के किसानों के बारे में पीएम साहब ने कुछ भी नहीं बोला है। लेकिन अमरावती के किसानों के बारे में बस पीएम साहब ने कुछ बोलना है। 5 साल पूरे होने के बाद भी अभी तक अमरावती का काम नहीं चालू हुआ है। जो ये सरकार आई है, आंध्र प्रदेश की नई सरकार बनने के बाद अमरावती के काम पूरे रुके हुए हैं, लेकिन अभी तक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ भी अमरावती के बारे में एक बात भी नहीं बोला है। बस अमरावती के किसानों को कितने बार कोशिश करने के बाद भी पीएम साहब से मिलने का अपॉइंटमेंट अभी तक तो अमरावती के किसानों को नहीं मिला है। इसके लिए तो बहुत सोच है। अमरावती के किसानों ने अपना दर्द बहुत है, अमरावती के किसानों को इतना दर्द हो रहा, अपना मां सम्मान के भूमि को आंध्र प्रदेश राजधानी के लिए दान करके बहुत तकलीफ़ उठा रहे हैं। जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने अमरावती के स्टोन के इनाग्रेशन के टाइम में जो इधर आने के बाद जो वो लेके आए थे पार्लियामेंट से मिट्टी और गंगा जल लेके आए थे, वो भी इधर डाले हुए थे, लेकिन ऐसा पड़ा हुआ है। उसके बारे में ये नई सरकार बनने के बाद कुछ नहीं कर रहा है। अमरावती का पूरा काम रुका दिए है। रुकाने के बाद ऐसा अमरावती में जो झाड़ फूट के ख़राब हो जाएगा, पूरा अमरावती ऐसा ख़राब हो जाएगा है। लेकिन आंध्र प्रदेश प्राइम मिनिस्टर, इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर को मैं एक ही बात विनती कर रहा हूँ, आंध्र प्रदेश अमरावती के बारे में कुछ आप बोलिए। अमरावती में इतने किसान, अभी तक 100 किसान ने अपने आंदोलन से गुजर चुके हैं, लेकिन ये सरकार ने अभी तक किसानों के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला है। मैं अभी एक बात बोल रहा हूँ, आपने आके जब मीटिंग में जो हुआ था अमरावती के इनाग्रेशन मीटिंग में आप जो बोले थे दिल्ली से बड़ा राजधानी आंध्र प्रदेश के लिए हम बनाएंगे बोले थे, लेकिन अभी तक आंध्र प्रदेश राजधानी के लिए आपने कुछ भी नहीं किया बोल के, बस आपने अभी प्राइम मिनिस्टर होते पर भी अमरावती का ऐसा होने का क्या ये है, उसके लिए आप एक बार सोच के अमरावती के किसानों के बारे में कुछ करना चाहिए। मैं और एक बार डिमांड कर रहा हूँ, अमरावती के किसानों को पीएम साहब से मिलने का अपॉइंटमेंट देके, पीएम साहब को मिलके अमरावती के किसानों सब मिलके अपना दर्द पीएम साहब को बोलेंगे। इसलिए पीएम साहब आपका अपॉइंटमेंट हमको देना चाहिए बोल के मैं डिमांड कर रहा हूँ। जय अमरावती, जय जय अमरावती।
Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, in our Andhra Pradesh 2014, we are invite in our, you come, that time only you are submitted that water and mud land. That time you are promised this is the capital, the world-wise, the famous capital in our state, the Amaravati. But after that 2019 is the government change. That time only this government announcement is the bifurcation of in our state, the three capitals are there. But this is not a correct way. We are all farmers. We are, your promised this the capital is the world famous capital in Amaravati, you told. That time only we believed this is the capital, is the famous capital, all facilities are available is there. That's why we will pay, we are submitted our land is the 34,000 acres, is the 29,000 families are submitted in our land. Especially is the new capital of in this Andhra Pradesh, the Amaravati. We are the 5 crores of the peoples are there. That purpose only is the capital of the center in our state. Actually, we are all is the every valuable land is the grandfather and father and our only submitted in this land. These purpose, the main capital of in our area, these are the all state is the center point of in our capital city. That purpose only we submitted in our land. Especially we are also that time only is the promise. This is the capital of in our Andhra Pradesh is the center. These 13 districts is the center of in our Guntur district is the Amaravati is the capital. At the same time, this is the SC reserved, especially this the reserved area, the constant in our constituency is the summer reservation categories are there. That purpose only this is also Tadikonda constituency is the reserved constituency. This both side Krishna district and Guntur districts surroundings are 5 constituencies are reserve constituencies are there. This is the capital city of is the reservation capital city, SC capital city. That purpose only we are all expected that Modi ji, we are announcement is the capital of the only one capital of Andhra Pradesh. You and your members also anyone the publicly announcement is the one capital in Andhra Pradesh, that is also is the Amaravati. Okay, thank you sir. Thank you Modi ji, you are the announcement almost all this is the 22nd in this month. That time also 5 years 6 years back you are the announcement and there is the started, this is the area of the capital city of Amaravati. Now you are also once you and your members anyone announced in this the capital city, only one capital is the Amaravati. Thank you ji, thank you Modi ji. Jai Amravati.